You're seconds from boarding. Coffee in one hand, ticket in the other, then the agent stops you.
That bag's too big.
Suddenly, your laptop, your meds, and your favorite clothes vanish into the cargo hold. And now you're paying $100 for the privilege. It happens every single day, and it's not bad luck. It's bad prep. Most travelers think they've done everything right. But the truth is, airlines are counting on you to make these mistakes, because that's how they make their money. By the end of this video, you'll know the 10 carry-on mistakes airlines never warn you about, and how smart travelers beat them every single time. And trust me, number 9 will shock you. It's something almost everyone packs. I've spent thousands of hours flying, watching travelers lose hundreds at the gate over simple mistakes. But here's the thing, it's not your fault. The rules were never designed to help you. So today, I'll show you how to play smarter than the airlines do. How to keep your bag and your money where they belong, with you. And if you're tired of travel stress or paying for mistakes you didn't even know you made, hit subscribe. Join thousands of smart travelers who never get caught off guard again. Let's get started. Mistake 1, the standard size myth. You think there's one standard carry-on size? Wrong. Every airline makes its own rules. Delta says 22 by 14 by 9 inches. Ryanair shrinks it. In Asia, they even count the wheels and handles. One traveler thought they were safe until their bag stuck out by just 1 inch. Result? An $85 gate fee and a bruised ego. Here's the fix. Always measure your bag fully packed. Wheels, handles, and those bulging pockets included. Never trust the carry-on approved tag at the store. They lie more often than airlines do, because even if your bag's the perfect size, mistake number 2 can still get you caught. Mistake 2, the bulging bag trigger. Cramming one more hoodie feels smart until your zipper's gasping for air. To you, it's efficient packing. To gate agents, it's a flashing red flag. They spot swollen seams instantly. And TSA? They hate overstuffed bags too. They're harder to scan, and that means one thing, manual inspection. Extra time, extra stress, extra stairs. Smart fix. Use compression cubes. They make your clothes flat, compact, and organized. Your bag looks lean, innocent, even when it's full. Think of them as Spanx for your suitcase. Mistake 3, ignoring weight limits. In the US, airlines rarely weigh carry-ons, so most travelers assume they're safe. But step into Europe or Asia, and that illusion disappears fast. 7 kilos means 7 kilos. One traveler was just 1 kilo over, and got hit with a $150 charge on the spot. Here's the move. Always check your airline's carry-on weight rule before you pack. Shift heavy items, like laptops or books, into your personal item. And wear your heaviest shoes and jacket on travel day. Yes, you'll look like a fashion disaster at the gate, but you'll save $150 doing it. Mistake 4, packing banned items. You'd think by now everyone knows the TSA rules. But every single day, people still lose deodorant sprays, oversized shampoos, even power banks. TSA doesn't play around. Liquids over 3.4 ounces? Gone. Power banks over 100 watt-hours? Pulled instantly. I've seen travelers toss full bottles of perfume, brand new cologne, even gifts, straight into the confiscation bin, all because they didn't double-check before packing. Here's the fix. Keep a do not pack list on your phone. Glance at it before every trip. 10 seconds now saves you from losing $50 worth of toiletries and your dignity in line. Because even if TSA clears you, airlines can still stop you for their secret rules. Mistake 5, forgetting airline-specific rules. You passed TSA, great, but that doesn't mean you're safe. Every airline has its own hidden rulebook. Smart luggage? Banned, unless the battery can be removed. Duty-free liquor? Confiscated if the seal's broken? It's like a second round of security, one that hits when you least expect it. And the gate agent? They won't mention it until it's too late. Here's how to stay ahead. Before every flight, check your airline's dangerous goods page. That's where the real rules hide. Because nothing stings like watching a $60 bottle of whiskey dropped straight into an airport trash bin. And even if you follow every rule perfectly, the next mistake catches travelers every single day on every airport camera. Mistake 6. Security chaos. Nothing screams rookie traveler louder than scrambling at TSA, digging through your bag for your laptop, unpacking liquids, holding up the line while everyone behind you sighs in frustration. Here's the thing, chaos gets you flagged. The messier your bag looks on X-ray, the higher your chance of a manual inspection. That means delays, and sometimes a missed flight. Fix it once. Get a carry-on with a quick access laptop slot and a clear liquids pouch. Pull, place, done. You'll save 5 minutes and your dignity, because nobody wants to unpack their underwear in front of 200 strangers. But even the most organized flyers get the next one wrong, and it's caught on every airport camera. Mistake 7. The personal item. Trap, your personal item isn't a second carry-on, and in 2025, airlines have cracked down hard. That oversized tote? Flagged. That bulging duffel? It's not fooling anyone. Gate agents see it coming a mile away. And when they stop you, it's not a warning. It's a charge. The fix? Use an underseat expandable backpack. It fits the airline's dimensions, looks compact, but quietly holds twice as much as they expect. Think ninja bag, not gym bag, because the next mistake isn't about space or size. It's about what happens when your essentials vanish with your luggage. Every day, thousands of bags miss their flights. They end up delayed, rerouted, or gone entirely. Now picture this. Your medication, your charger, your passport copies, all packed neatly inside that missing suitcase. The fix is simple but powerful. Build a never-check pouch. It holds your must-haves, passport, meds, chargers, valuables. Keep it in your carry-on or personal item, always within reach. Because the truth is, airlines can replace your clothes, but not your peace of mind. And mistake number 9? It's the one no one expects, but almost everyone makes. Mistake 9. Skipping the flight comfort kit. Once you're in the air, that little carry-on becomes your lifeline. But most travelers forget the basics: water, snacks, sanitizer, even headphones. And that's how long flights turn miserable fast. Fix it with a mini comfort kit, a reusable bottle, a snack, a pillow, anything that keeps you human at 30,000 feet. And here's the shocker. TSA flags snacks with liquid fillings, peanut butter, dips, hummus. They count as liquids. So, yeah, peanut butter equals liquid. It's small details like that that separate smart travelers from the stressed ones. But even if you ace all 9, mistake number 10 can still take your bag right out of your hands. Mistake 10, not preparing for forced gate. Check sometimes, you do everything right, and still lose control. The flight's full, the bins are packed.
You'll have to check that.
Even if your bag is perfect, it's out of your hands. The fix. Always carry a foldable backup bag inside your main carry-on. When gate check strikes, move your essentials. Laptop, camera, medications, into that smaller pack in seconds. Now, the cargo hold only gets what you can afford to lose. That's how smart travelers stay calm when everyone else panics. Because preparation isn't just about packing, it's about control. Lightning round, let's hit the most searched carry-on questions. Power banks? Carry-on only. Never in checked bags. Baby formula or breast milk? Allowed, just declare it at security. Scissors? Only if the blades are under 4 inches. Anything longer? Confiscated. Now bonus pro hacks, straight from frequent flyers. TSA pre-check or global entry, skip lines, skip stress. Fly early, more bin space, fewer delays, smoother flights. And yes, travel insurance still matters, because bags vanish, flights cancel. And when that happens, the difference between chaos and calm is the traveler who planned ahead. Fast tips, real fixes. That's how you travel smarter, every single time. So here's the truth. Your carry-on can either drain your wallet or save your trip. The difference isn't luck. It's knowing the 10 mistakes airlines hope you'll never learn. Because once you do, you stop traveling like a target and start flying like a pro. Smart travelers don't just pack better, they prepare better. And that changes everything. If this video saved you a fee, a headache, or even your favorite hoodie, hit that like button. Subscribe and join thousands of smart travelers who never get caught off guard again. Because this channel isn't just about tips. It's about flying smarter, stressing less, and helping others do the same. So tell me in the comments, what's your worst carry-on mistake? Your story might save someone else's next trip. Fly smarter. Stress less. Kindly subscribe.